cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.
If you're a busy student or rushing from work and your stress levels are through the roof, what you need is a really nice meal, a really nice warm comfort meal like this. True, and so easy to make. Here's the tuna. It's in brine. I've drained it and I'm going to fluff it up now. Quickly before we start cooking, tuna done, onions, mushrooms, there's my pasta, beautiful bows. What I'll do is I'll grate this garlic. Very easy recipe, very quick, tasty, full of flavour. Fifteen minute tuna and mushroom pasta. Now, there you go. How quick was this to make? How quick was this to make? Take a break, sit down, eat it, have a coffee, don't rush, clear your mind, and then get back to what you were doing. So, you've eaten it, you've had your coffee, and now you've gone back to your studies or to your work. My job is done. So I'm gonna try some of this. You're not gonna believe me. You are not gonna believe me. I know, I keep saying it. This is delicious. Truly. I'm being silly, but it is delicious. Thank you for watching so much, and enjoy this with your family and friends. Bye for now. This is Alex. Tuna and mushroom pasta. How quick is that? You're busy. Cook this in 50 minutes. Sit down and enjoy it, and then get back to what you're doing. Cut.
Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.